Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to delete Safari from your iPhone. So there's a couple of different ways how to do this. The first one is by clicking the icon here and holding it. So when you hold it, this little minus sign will pop up, and if you press this should delete Safari from your iPhone. Or you can hold the app icon, or you can press down on the app icon and select this remove app here. But if you're like other people, you may actually find this doesn't actually fully delete Safari from your iPhone. When you swipe all the way to the right to your app library, you may still see Safari here. So what you want to do is come back to the home screen and head over to your settings. Then you want to scroll down to screen time. You want to tap into that. And on screen time, you want content and privacy restrictions. So we'll tap into that. Now from here, you want allowed apps and then tap into that. And then see here, allowed apps. Safari may still be there even after deleting it. So what you'd want to do is you want to press on this green toggle and this will toggle it off. And as you can see, it disappears, and it'll also disappear out your app library. Now if you ever want it to turn back on, you can come back to this same page and tap Safari back on. And when you come back to the home screen, as you can see, Safari is back there. Let us know in the comments below if you've been struggling to delete Safari and if this helps you out. And also don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and thanks for watching.